Hi, I'm Cliff Jones. I'm Vice President of Business Development with Wox Water Services, and I'm pleased to be able to tell you about the Investigator system, which is using new innovative technology to allow us to get into water distribution lines as small as 3 inches in diameter. It's a neat system which uses a semi-rigid cable which allows us to push the system into a pipeline. At the end of the cable is a sensor head that has a camera, an acoustic sensor and a mapping location device, so we know where it is underground at all times. The beauty of this system is it goes through the side nozzle of a fire hydrant. It's a 1-inch camera which can navigate through the side nozzle. We pressurize the hydrant, open the valve at the bottom, and the operator, who's in total control at all times, using the camera, can see where he is, can see where the sensor is. He can navigate through valves, round bends, through the hydrant, down to the shoe, and then into the lateral, and then into the main pipeline, whatever diameter. And then we can inspect the pipe. Great thing is, because it's a push system using this semi-rigid cable, is that we can go with the flow or we can go against the flow. So once we're in the pipe, we can go up to 300 feet in either direction. We can go both directions in the same insertion, one direction first and then pull it back and then go in the other direction. So we can do a large stretch of distribution main from a single hydrant insertion. And what does the operator see? Well, the operator sees everything that's inside that pipe. We'll see the tuberculation, if there's any. We'll see the condition of the liner. Can help determine what material the pipe is, what the diameter actually is. We can see the condition of the joints, we can see valves, we can find lost valves, we can get GPS shots of valves so you know exactly where they are. We can tell you everything that's going on inside that pipe. And for the first time, operators of water distribution pipelines can get the same level of asset management and condition assessment that the guys on the gravity side have been getting for the last 15 years from CCTV inspections. And in fact, we're negotiating and discussing with NASCO on using the PACP coding for water distribution lines, which again will be a first for the industry. So what do customers say about this? We've done a number of inspections around North America now with the Investigator as we introduce the technology to the country. And operators and engineers and utility managers are really excited at being able to get into a pipeline and see its condition, basically for the first time. They now know what's under the ground, they now know what's in the pipe. So if they're making a decision on, do I replace this pipe or do I need to repair this pipe, they're actually getting real data on its condition rather than using a desktop study or statistical analysis to indicate which pipelines they should change or replace. So they've now got information that they've never had before, and that helps them make better decisions. So we're getting inundated with clients saying, hey, can you look at this pipeline? Hey, can you look at that pipeline? Hey, I've lost a valve, can you tell me where the valve is? There's also a leak detection system, very sensitive leak detection system, so we're getting clients asking us if we can locate the difficult leaks that they've not been able to locate using correlators or data logger technology. So this tool, the Investigator tool, provides utilities with a lot of benefits and a lot of facilities that have never been used, never been available before.